Hello, welcome. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how you can swap two numbers. और इस वीडियो में बेसिकली मैं आपको एग्जीक्यूशन के बारे में बताऊंगा कि कैसे आप दो नंबर को स्वैप कर सकते हो और क्या चीज़ हो रही है जो आप लाइन्स लिखते हो उनके पीछे. Apart from this, I am also going to tell you about how the execution of the program works when you are going to swap two numbers. So let's look at this video and let's look at this concept too. So first of all, you need to take a variable. Okay, so let me take it as 188. Okay, a equal to 188, and similarly you can also take 162. So many students, while swapping, what they do is they thought that if they simply assign B to A and B equal to A, then their work is done and the numbers are swapped. So let me make you clear that what this lines will do is, firstly we have 188, and then here what will happen is by following the 9 lines, the A will acquire the value of B, which is 162, and in the next line, since B is also 162 and A is also 162 now, so in B also 162, and if we are going to print the values of A and B here, then we get the wrong output. So let me also show you this by just writing some formatting so that your output can be visible more clearly. So here it is. So let me also comment these lines. So let me also delete them, and we are ready to go. And here we can also check out our outputs. So here you can look in the output, in the received output, that we got A's value is 162 and B's value is also 162. Let me also show you by reloading it. And oh sorry, this is value. Okay, so okay, so यहाँ पे आप क्लियरली देख सकते हो कि वैल्यूज स्वैप नहीं हो रही है, बेसिकली एक ही वैल्यू दोनों वेरिएबल में आ चुकी है. सो इस केस को हमें अवॉइड करने के लिए करना क्या है कि हमें पहले जो ए वेरिएबल में जो भी कुछ होगा हमें उस वैल्यू को पहले रिजर्व रखने की ज़रूरत है. कैसे हम वैल्यू को रिजर्व रख सकते हैं एक तीसरे वेरिएबल को यूज़ करके? सिंपल. हाउ? Basically we can take a temporary variable and name it as temp, and we can reserve the identity of A in temp variable, and after it you can assign the value of A, value of B to A. And after this step, since our A is changed, but we at this particular point we also have the previous identity of A. So what you need to do at this point is you need to assign the value of temporary variable to B, and that's it. By following this pattern you got your output. So let me also show you what is happening in this particular case. So when the line 6 and 7 is executed, what will happen is it basically assigns the values 188 and 162 to variable A and B, and after it the another variable got declared, and it basically takes the value of B. So we can say at this and the particular point is temp is equal to 188. Okay, so and in this and in the 10th line, what happened is A will take the value of P, which is and you can also look in the 7th line that P's value is 162, so you can say that A will take the value 162. But and in the 11th line, the value of the temporary variable, which is 188, is assigned to a variable B. So B in this particular point is equal to, you can say that 188. Okay, and we don't need these statements, and we need to delete them. And in the 12th line, your output will be printed, and in this particular time the two numbers are swapped up successfully. And you can also look into the outputs terminal. Here you can look into the output that A's value is 162, since B 162 is in B, so when the values are swapped, A will acquire the value 162 and B's value is 188. So that's all about this video, where we discuss about how you can swap the values of the two variables. So that's all about this particular video.